Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Plasticity. My name is Mike and today we are going to be modeling a YouTube play button, right? So let's get rid of our default cube first. We're going to go to object mode, we're going to click on it, we're going to hit delete, there you go. And then we're going to start with the outer perimeter of the play button sign, if you will, okay? So what we're going to do there is we're going to grab a rectangle and we're just going to click on it. We're going to select the one in the middle. There you go. Click on the origin and we're going to start to pull something out that has the overall correct dimensions. That looks about right. Okay, now keep in mind we're in orthographic mode, not a perspective mode. That's why it looks a bit wonky, and if you want to see perspective mode, you can do that up here, right? Perspective, orthographic, there you go. Alrighty, let's go back to orthographic. Okay, now what we're going to do next is we're going to give this some thickness. So we're going to go to face mode. It's not an object just yet, and we're going to hit extrude. So hit E on the keyboard and then we're going to pull this up. That seems to be about enough. We're going to click on OK, then we're going to go to edge mode. We're going to take the outer edges, hold down shift while you select them, there you go, and then we're going to bevel these, and you can see that the fillet's already here. Otherwise just hit B on your keyboard and give it a little edge like so, right? Okay, happy with that so far. All right, now we don't need that rectangle anymore, we can delete that. So this is what we have as of yet, yeah. And what we can do next is we are going to create that outer shape that's going around the play button. So we're going to jump to our top view and we're going to go in here and let's do it on the side and then move it in, okay? So we're going to grab this guy, control point curve, all right? And if you don't see that, left click and hold, and then there it is. Okay, so we're going to go from there. We're going to start up here. Let's say, actually we'll do that here. We'll do here. We'll go up a little bit on this guy. Then we're going to go down here. We're going to right click. Then we're going to continue from here, go down here. Maybe yeah, that should be enough. So we're going to go to, let's say, about here. That's about right. Then we're going to go from here. And we're going to do one more. And you can still go in and move those control points if you're not happy with their position, right? And there you go. Now we want to combine these, so we're going to make sure we're in edge mode. We're going to drag select all of them. We're going to J on the keyboard, and as you can see, they're now all combined. And then we're going to go to object mode. Actually, it's not an object yet. We're going to go to face mode. We're going to hit a G to move it, not extrude. I don't want to extrude. Sometimes the shortcuts don't respond the way they should, right? So we're in here, we're gonna scale that down. And sometimes when you want to scale, it doesn't work. Let's try 0.7, 0.7. That looks to be about right. Click on OK. So we got this guy here, then we're going to move it up. And again, if I hit G, this time it's actually working. Position wise, that looks to be about right. Okay. Now from here, what I want to do is project that down. So I'm going to hit G and move this up like so. And then I'm going to click on OK, and then I'm going to hit Shift I. Okay, so the target body will be this guy, the select curve will be this guy, and then it's projected. Let's click on OK. All right. Then we're going to go and select this guy in face mode, and let's offset the face. Let's push it down. And if you don't see that coming up, just click on O. But that looks right. We're going to click on OK. We don't really need this guy anymore. All right, grab it, delete it. There you go. All right, this looks okay. Next up, what we're going to do is wait for my mouse. Yeah, we're going to create the actual play button, right? So we're just going to jump to the top view, and we're simply going to take a line here. Let's create a symmetrical triangle. There you go. Alrighty, then we're going to jump out of this view. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go into face mode. We're going to extrude. This looks to be about right. We're going to click on OK. Then we're going to go into object mode. And we're going to do G to move it. Let's jump to our top view here. We're going to bring this into position. That looks to be about right. Click on OK. Then we're going to go in here and we're going to raise it up. Hit G. And there you go. That looks pretty clean. We don't need this guy anymore. Click on OK first. All right. And then you can go and do a very small bevel right here if you like. Not too much. That looks to be about right. And then the only thing left is to give it a nice material. So we're going to go up here, right click, let's see what we got. Let's try something like this. And then there you have it. There's our play button, right? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing. And that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.